Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to add crossplay friends and actually play with them in Battlefield 6. So starting right from the home screen, whether you are on PlayStation or Xbox, go ahead and press R2 on PlayStation and RT on Xbox. That will open up EA Connect on your screen. From here press R1 on PlayStation and RB on Xbox to slide over to the player search tab. Now go ahead and type in the name of the player you wanna add. I'll just type something in as an example. If someone with that name pops up, including players on other platforms, you can highlight them, move over to their profile and add them to your friends list. Just press cross on PlayStation or A on Xbox to send the friend request. Once that request is sent, the other person will see it under their friend request section. As soon as they accept it, they'll appear in your friends list, and from there you can invite them to join your game. To see more options for a friend, just press L3 or left stick on their name. If they are online and playing, you should be able to invite them immediately. It's really that simple once you know where everything is. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.